Hi guys, this is Wanda with Pretty Cute Press, and today I wanted to come on and just share a quick tip with you as I am currently working through my way through a Pinterest challenge that is being hosted by Lori Winslow online, and it is to post at least one pin a day for the month of October. And so, what I've been trying to do over the weekend is try to get ahead by scheduling a week worth of pins. And so, I thought this may be something that you wasn't aware that you could do. Um, is actually schedule your pins on Pinterest itself. I used to use actual Pinterest scheduling tool called Tailwind, which was perfectly fine, but I no longer subscribe to it. I kind of fell out of using Pinterest very much, so I couldn't justify paying for it. But one thing that you can do is, as I say, is actually schedule your pins on Pinterest itself, and it's completely free. So I'm just going to give you a brief demonstration how to do that. So when you log into Pinterest, and I currently have a business account which is free on Pinterest, and so I go on there and then I just clicked on this little icon, and then I went to create a pin. I have added this create a pin to my shortcut, and I did that by just going to add shortcut. And I think they have a limit to the number of shortcuts you can, oh yeah, one of four selected. So I already have that there, but that's how I added it. So I'm going to go to create a pin, and then it's going to take me to the pin builder. And then I'm just going to bring up this pin that I've worked on creating. And this is going to be for a free prompt guide that I have on my website. Um let's see. Uh, I totally let me see. Let me grab it. Grab my pin description, and I use ChatGPT to help me come up with pin titles and descriptions. And so I'm just gonna paste that there. I'm gonna change it up a little bit. Download your free app guide and start creating art. Okay. Whether you're artist using tools like that. Okay. And this pin is going to be linking out to a blog post that I have on my website about the free guide. So my destination link goes there. So the destination link is to wherever you want the pin to take you. I'm going to pick my board, and I'm going to choose my AI prompt guide board. And let's see. Then here you can say publish immediately, but because I want to schedule this, I'm going to click on the publish at a later date. And something weird is happening on my screen. I'm not sure why. Okay, so I want to schedule this for I think it's Saturday that I need one, a pen for. So I'm gonna go with Saturday, and I'm gonna go for I'm gonna pick 10, but you can pick whatever you want. And then once I have my date and time, then I'm gonna click publish, and it's gonna take a few minutes. And in just a minute, it's gonna pop up and say that my pen has been scheduled. You can see it's working there. And one of the things I did with ChatGPT is after I created some of my pens, okay, see here it says the pen is scheduled. It's scheduled for Saturday, October the 12th at 10 a.m. Then here I can see the ones that I've scheduled. But as I was saying, what I did in ChatGPT, I uploaded some of my pens into ChatGPT and asked it to create me an SEO optimized Pinterest pin title and description. And of course, like with anything that you get from ChatGPT, you want to look at it and make some edits to it so that it fits your unique style of branding. So if I click on this see scheduled pins, then you can see all the ones that I have 7 day worth of pins scheduled here. And what I'm doing, because Pinterest is not something that I use all the time, but it's something that I want to get into. So for now, I'm scheduling one pin a day. And so this one is scheduled for Monday the 7th. And then you see I got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. And then when the weekend comes in, hopefully, if I'm I'll be able to work on getting the next week's schedule ahead of time. So I just wanted to pop on and give you a quick tutorial on how you could schedule out your pins in Pinterest if that was something that you wanted to utilize in your business. If you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.